Hey guys, this is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 100. It's a big number, and we are doing an iPhone 6 white gold screen repair and a software reset of some kind, so her app store will work. So stay tuned for some cool action coming your way, and enjoy.
These words project on my mind at a speed so quick that the gun before I deem them. Waiting for demons, fits all screaming, seething and seeming to dream if I'm leading, seeming, streaming. Believe me, I'm seeing sequels to screaming my dreams. I'm dreaming, I'm teething on teams of MCs, gonna bleed them out cause I'm needing a feeding this evening. Good evening. Nihilistic, meaningless, confusing in his grave fall on eloquence, dialect, disease. Can't be out but I just reverse the ear to see cause I'm stealing the spotlight.
So pretty, thank you.
I'm gonna do the. I know, but what I'm gonna do is once I test everything works, I'm gonna take it off and I'm gonna put the screen on, just the screen, because the screen on itself will still open the black light.
Oh, yeah.
And then I'm gonna put that on first. I mean, it's only gonna take me a second, so it's not gonna bother me.
Oh, buddy.
These words project on my mind at a speed so quick that the gun before I deem them. Waiting for demons, it's all screaming, seething and seeming to dream as I'm leading, seeming, streaming. Believe me, I'm seeing sequels to screaming my dreams. I'm dreaming, I'm teething on teams of MCs, gonna bleed them out cause I'm needing a feeding this evening. Good evening. Nihilistic, meaningless, king jizzing in his grave fall on eloquence, dialect, disease. Can't be out but I just reverse the ear to see cause I'm stealing the spotlight.
No, seriously, like you would think, right?
Thing. Can we try?
I think I just pointed out.
Nihilistic, meaningless, king jizzing in his grave fall on eloquence, dialect, disease. Can't be out but I just reverse the ear to see cause I'm stealing the spotlight.